Okay, here we are at 1515 East Redbird Lane this morning, 1314 Mentor Avenue. I received an update on my way this morning that it is already under contract, so I started at this one first this morning. It's on kind of a busier, high traffic road. This is a school right across the street. So let's go take a look. This house does need pretty much a full rehab on it. Definitely needs paint. Window screens are pretty beat up on the exterior, and you've got some trim that needs to be replaced and painted. All right, so this one is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 1960. It's almost 1,500 square feet, on the market for 128. This is a front room here as you walk in. Carpet, blinds, paint. In here, as you can see, everything is in pretty bad shape. Here's one of the front bedrooms here overlooking the front of the house. This is actually the master. And this is the master bath. There's just a shower in here. Hallway here. This is the water heater and the AC. All those look okay-ish condition. This is a gas water heater. The water heater looks fairly new. This is one of the bedrooms. Has a closet right behind the door here. Ceiling fan. Here's the closet. This door here. It's just a hall closet. At the end of the hallway, you've got another hall closet. A linen closet. This is the guest bath. All of this is original tile work to the home. I do feel some shifting in the floors. I believe this house is pier and beam, so if it does need foundation, should be fairly easy to do, but this needs to be completely gutted. This door is off the hinges, so we'll need all new doors. This is bedroom number 3. Kind of a little narrow bedroom, and it has its own door that goes out into the backyard off of it. Let's go into the kitchen. So this would be formal dining area, or like a extra dining area, and then here's another dining area off the kitchen. And it has this big closet here. I can't get into the backyard because of this gate here, so I'll just kind of show you. This is the door that goes off of that bedroom as best I can. Show you the backyard. It's all chain link fence. Kitchen here. It's going to need to be pretty much completely gutted, needs all new appliances. This is the garage. Washer dryer connections located there. 2-car garage with an opener. All right. This is Redbird.